5 of the MX Liiga series, and we're in central Estonia at this track called Tihemetsa, which is an absolutely amazing track. I came riding here on Monday for a bit of training to get to know it, and yeah, blown away. Absolutely fantastic. I'm here with the whole squad, so yeah, making a day of it, and about to go down to qualifying.
saab ikkagi siin viienda. Tema selja taga eelming on 0,4 sekundi kaugusel siis 6. Sadervek 0,7 sekundiga omakorda eelmingust maast. 9.
I finished my first race a couple of hours ago. It didn't go very well, I wouldn't say. Had a good start, and first lap was feeling okay, but then I could feel myself already getting super pumped up and was trying to breathe and trying to stay relaxed. But yeah, literally by the third lap my arms were gone, and it was just a struggle train from then on. I'm not sure if it's because of COVID or what, but certainly at the beginning of the season I was feeling way stronger than I am now, and the only thing that's changed in between is COVID, so yeah, it must be. But yeah, I've jabbed my back and feeling pretty sore. But anyway, that's a lot of whinging. The good stuff is the track is really fun, and yeah, anytime I'm racing I'm enjoying myself. Yeah, hoping for a second better race. I need to make sure I beat Carl because he came 4th in that race and I came 5th. So I think the championship is like, we're drawing on points, or maybe he's even got the lead at the moment. So yeah, aim for this race is to beat Carl, which is going to be a tall order because he's going well today. So yeah, better get ready and go down for the next one. Wish me luck. That's the end of the day here at Tihemetsa, and I'm glad to see the back of it. That was yeah, a really bad day, to be honest. I don't like to speak negatively when I go out on the bike, because normally I love it no matter the outcome, but today was hard work. Bad in qualifying, first race was a struggle, and then in the second race yeah, I got pumped up really quickly again, and then had a big off over one of the tabletops where I didn't fully commit and got cross-rutted, and when I was picking the bike up I was just like totally out of puff. So I got back on and circulated, but just at the back of the pack and came 23rd. So now I'm in 2nd place in the championship and quite a few points behind. There's still 3 rounds left, so anything that could happen, but I've got a lot of stuff to work on, fitness and more bike time. Cool, till the next one, peace.